Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanjay and today we have got an exciting tutorial in for you. But before we dive into the world of coding and APIs, if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss any of our future tech videos. It is just a click away and it really helps support this channel. Now for today's video, we are going to create something incredible using the Fyers API. If you are into finance, trading, or simply want to learn how to build your own app, you are in the right place. We'll start from the scratch. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you will be able to follow along. But by the end of this tutorial, you will have your very own Fyers API application up and running. I promise it is going to be a fun ride filled with learning and of course some coding magic. But first, remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. It really motivates me to create more content like this for you. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. So initially we will create a Fyers API application. So for that we need to go to fyers.in. So you can just Google search or you hit fyers.in. So we'll have a sign in. I'll just pause this video so that I'll enter my 4-digit PIN. Okay, I'm logged in. So here this is my Fyers ID. So what I'll do is you have to first go to this repo. This link I'll give in the description. So follow this link from the description. Then you have to copy this into one of your notepad. So I've copied it already. So once you log in, you can copy this as your Fyers ID. Okay, this is your Fyers ID. So here I have copied already, so you can copy it. Then we need to go to our account section. So I have clicked on this. So I need to search accounts. My account. Okay, so once you have opened your my account section, on the left hand side you can see manage account. So you click on this manage account. So first thing is we'll create a TOTP. Okay, so here I have this TOTP already enabled for me. So if you have not enabled it already, you can follow with me. But for them who already have this enabled, so what you need to do is you need to first disable this. So disabled. Now we'll enable it. But for the first time users who are doing it is for the first time, for them it will be by default disabled. So you need to enable it. So let's start with enabling it. So I click enable. So this will ask me to scan this code on one of my Google Authenticator app. You can use other Authenticator app as well. So before I use that, what I'll do is I'll copy this code. Okay, so how to copy is, it is written here, can't scan, click here to copy the key. So I'll click on this, click here. So this is got copied into my clipboard. So what I'll do is I'll change this TOTP key. So TOTP will be whatever value I just copied. So once you have done it, then you can scan this QR code using your Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, and you can set up by entering the TOTP that will display on the, once you scan it, it will display on the Google Authenticator, and then the PIN. Okay, so I'll pause this video right now and I'll finish this step. So you guys also do it. So I am back. I think you have followed that screen instructions and set up your you would have already done your setup on your Google Authenticator. I did that already. So I copied the TOTP key here. As of now, I did not put my pin for security reason. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll go and create a new application. So this part is done, so I'll close this. Now I'll search for API. So you'll see this Fyers API, click on it. This page, if it opens, click on get started. So here I have already two applications, both are active, but for the sake of this video, I will go ahead and create a new application. So click on create app. You have to give a name, so any name you can give of your choice. So I'll give Fyers underscore API underscore connect. Redirect URL. For this video I am using https:// www.google.com. You can use any of your choice, but make sure for the first time when you're creating this application, it should be some real one where it can actually redirect. If you use something that is not real, some fake like googlexyz.com, it might not work in the first time. So make sure it is some live URL. Okay. Description, if you want you can give it. I'm not giving here. Webhook is not required, so I'll go ahead and delete it. Now for the app permissions, you can select all or based on your choice, but I'll select all of them. Then I'll accept the API usage terms and conditions. You can click here and read the terms and conditions. So I'm not reading right now and I'm clicking on create app. So the name of the app, redirect URL, app permissions, accept the terms, and click on create app. So here I'm getting a success message. That means my app has been created successfully, and for the first time it will be inactive. Okay, so we'll see in the upcoming videos how to activate this, because if it is not active then it might not work properly. Okay, so it's created, we can copy few items from here. So for example, I need this app ID, so I'll copy this app ID. So while copying the app ID, you make sure you only copy till this -100, you no need to copy. Okay, so I copied till here, not the -100, and then I'll put this into app ID section. So here is my so this -100 is nothing but the app type, so it is 100 I mentioned. Now the secret ID I'll copy, and Fyers secret key in that section I'll paste it, I'll change it. Okay, and others will remain the same, like app ID type, pin I'm not giving here, but you have to give your pin. So this pin would be some 4-digit number, so that you need to give. So for security reason I'm not giving it right now, but I'll give when I have to configure my repo. Okay, so that time you need to give it. So this is it for this video, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.